In 2025, AI tools are creating income faster than most people imagine. I use them to make 1,000 in just 7 days, and you can learn how to. Like the video and subscribe so you do not miss these step-by-step methods. Today, I will show you exactly what I did and how you can copy the same approach. Let us dive in and turn simple AI tools into real cash in only 1 week. 1. Choosing the right AI tools. I started by testing several AI platforms to find which ones delivered the best results. My focus was on tools that automated writing, design, and content creation efficiently. Free trials helped me compare features without spending too much money up front. The key was selecting tools that saved time while still producing professional outputs. I combined a writing AI, a design generator, and an automation platform for workflows. Together, they allowed me to create marketable products faster than manual methods. Choosing tools based on ROI, not hype, made the difference in hitting my $1,000 goal. Investing smartly in software set the foundation for scaling income consistently. Right tools mean you focus on strategy, while AI handles heavy, repetitive tasks. 2. Finding a profitable niche. I researched trends to find what people were buying and where demand was increasing fast. Using AI analytics, I discovered niches with low competition but high purchasing intent. The data showed digital products were selling extremely well in creative markets. Rather than guess, I validated ideas by checking search volumes and online reviews. This approach made sure my efforts went toward proven opportunities, not assumptions. Focusing on a niche let me design specific products that solved real customer problems. AI tools helped predict demand shifts, allowing me to act before markets got crowded. Profitable niches give you leverage by multiplying income from a single product idea. Finding the right niche ensured my 7-day plan was both realistic and sustainable. 3. Creating digital products with AI. I used AI to draft ebooks, guides, and templates tailored to my chosen niche audience. The design AI generated covers and layouts that looked polished and ready for sale. Content quality mattered, so I edited outputs slightly to keep products unique and valuable. By batching product creation, I made multiple offers in just a few focused working hours. I sped up the creative process while I concentrated on marketing and distribution. I priced products affordably to attract quick sales while building initial credibility. This combination of speed, quality, and relevance allowed me to release fast-selling items. Digital products were ideal because they sold repeatedly without extra production costs. Each sale added up, pushing me closer to my $1,000 target before the week was over. 4. Building an AI-driven marketing funnel. I used AI to draft ad copy, social posts, and email campaigns to promote my products. Personalized messages increased engagement and drove traffic without manual effort. AI tools analyze responses, helping me adjust campaigns in real time for better results. Social media scheduling kept my presence active while I focused on other tasks. Creating an automated email funnel converted visitors into repeat buyers seamlessly. Visual ads generated by AI boosted clicks and made my campaigns stand out online. By day 4, traffic doubled because my funnel was optimized and running automatically. Marketing automation meant I did not need to spend all day managing promotions. The system sold for me around the clock, accelerating my path to $1,000 quickly. 5. Selling on multiple platforms. Instead of relying on one site, I listed products on several digital marketplaces at once. AI tools helped adapt descriptions and keywords for each platform's algorithm easily. This gave me more exposure without requiring extra manual effort for customization. Marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and niche platforms generated steady organic sales. I also used my AI-generated funnel to drive direct sales through my personal website. Diversification spread risk and allowed me to test which platforms performed the best. By day 6, 2 platforms outperformed others, so I focused ads on those channels. Selling everywhere at once built momentum and expanded my audience globally. The strategy ensured a constant flow of income from multiple sources simultaneously. 6. Using AI for customer support. Customer questions were answered by an AI chatbot trained on my product details. This reduced refunds and boosted trust because buyers received instant, accurate help. AI-generated thank you messages made interactions feel personal without my involvement. Satisfied customers often left positive reviews, increasing my product's visibility online. Automating support freed my time to focus entirely on scaling marketing and products. I also used AI to gather feedback and generate ideas for future product improvements. Good support turned buyers into repeat customers, adding extra sales without new ads. By the end of the week, retention rates improved, contributing to my $1,000 success. Happy customers are the foundation of passive income that keeps growing over time. 7. Scaling with AI analytics. I tracked which ads, products, and platforms delivered the highest return on investment. I shifted budget toward top-performing channels to maximize profit while minimizing costs. Real-time insights helped me stop wasting money on campaigns that were underperforming. Sales reports showed which products had the potential to become long-term bestsellers. This data-driven approach made scaling faster and more reliable than guesswork. Instead of reacting late, AI allowed me to make proactive, profitable decisions instantly. Scaling smartly meant each dollar invested returned more than it cost, growing profits. By day 7, optimized campaigns nearly doubled my daily revenue without extra effort. Analytics turned the process from a one-time success into a repeatable wealth strategy. 8. Leveraging AI for content repurposing. I repurposed product content into blogs, social posts, and ad creatives using AI. This boosted reach without creating new material from scratch every single time. iTools reformatted videos into short clips and posts tailored for each platform. Content repurposing built authority and attracted organic traffic alongside paid ads. This strategy kept my brand visible across multiple channels all week effortlessly. The wider reach increased sales from audiences I had not initially targeted. Repurposing also gave me assets to use in future campaigns without extra expense. I multiplied the impact of my work by turning one idea into endless content streams. More visibility meant more sales, helping push my total earnings over $1,000. 9. Setting up recurring revenue. I introduced a low-cost subscription using AI-generated resources for ongoing value. This created predictable income even after the initial 7-day challenge ended. I scheduled monthly updates to keep content fresh without heavy manual work. Recurring revenue gave me confidence that my business could grow sustainably. Subscribers from my products funneled naturally into the membership offer easily. Even small subscriptions add up quickly when supported by automated delivery systems. 10. Lessons learned and next steps. The biggest lesson was that AI works best when paired with a clear strategy and focus. Automation multiplies your effort, but it cannot replace planning and product quality. Finding a niche, creating value, and scaling smartly are what make AI truly powerful. With a proven system, earning $1,000 in a week is repeatable and even scalable higher. I now see AI not just as software, but as a partner in building financial freedom. With discipline and creativity, this system can turn weeks of effort into lasting wealth. Now you know how I made $1,000 in 7 days using AI tools without any complicated setup. If this gave you a clear plan, hit like and subscribe for more practical income guides. Drop a comment and tell us which AI method you will try first or ask what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more ways to use technology to build fast and consistent income.